Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic for anyone working with AWS. How are you charged at AWS Step Functions? If you're building workflows in the cloud, you've got to know how the pricing works to keep your costs in check. We've got a clear diagram to break it down, so let's dive in with confidence and get you mastering AWS Step Functions in no time. AWS Step Functions is all about orchestrating your serverless workflows. Think of it as the conductor of your cloud symphony. But how does AWS charge you for this magic? Well, it depends on the type of workflow you're running, Express or Standard. Let's break it down step by step. First up, Express workflows. These are designed for high-volume, short-duration tasks, like handling millions of events in seconds. With Express, you're charged based on duration. The diagram shows a simple flow. You've got a Lambda function kicking things off, maybe interacting with a DynamoDB table, and then another Lambda function wrapping it up. AWS clocks the total time this workflow runs, and that's what you're billed for. It's straightforward. Faster workflows mean lower costs. So, if you're processing real-time data streams or handling quick API calls, Express is your go-to. Now, let's switch gears to standard workflows. These are built for longer-running, more complex processes, like business workflows that need to wait for human approvals or handle retries. Here, AWS charges you based on state transitions. The diagram shows a similar setup. A Lambda function starts the flow, hits DynamoDB, and then moves to another Lambda. But this time, every time your workflow moves from one state to another, like from Lambda to DynamoDB, that's a state transition, and AWS counts each one. More transitions, higher cost. Standard workflows are perfect for tasks that need to run for hours or even days, with lots of steps and decision points. So, what's the big difference? Express is all about speed and duration, great for quick, high-throughput jobs. Standard focuses on state transitions, ideal for complex, long-running workflows. Knowing which one to use can save you a ton of money and optimize your app's performance. Here's the pro tip: if you're just starting out, map out your workflow and estimate how long it'll run and how many state transitions it'll have. That'll help you pick between Express and Standard and keep your AWS bill from sneaking up on you. That's the rundown, folks. AWS Step Functions charges you based on duration for Express workflows and state transitions for Standard workflows. Now you're ready to design cost-efficient workflows like a pro. If this helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite AWS service. I'd love to hear about it. Until next time, keep building in the cloud, and I'll see you in the next video.